Today we're going to use Power App to create a channel in Microsoft Teams using our SharePoint list called Fruit Stall. And in order to do that, we're going to create a simple Canvas application. So go to Canvas application from blank. Choose the format font, give a title. The first thing that we need to do is create the data source. So we need two data sources, one for SharePoint. So we need the full URL of our SharePoint list. Click connect. Link to Fruit Stall. Click connect. Next, we need to create a connection to Teams. Already have an existing connection. So we have two data sources, one for SharePoint list and the other one for the Microsoft Teams. So let's go to the phone layout. Go on the insert. Let's add a label. Call this SharePoint. This. Next, we need a drop down. This drop down is the selection that gives us the option to choose the title of the SharePoint list, and this title is connected to the list of fruits that we have. So if you look on the right under advanced, I'm going to change the data source to fruit list. Okay, so first all connected, and the value that I need here is the title. I'm done. So as you can see, we have linked up to the fruit stall list, and under title are the list of all the fruits that we have in that list. And next, we're going to create a label. We're going to call this label list the theme groups. So this will list all the theme groups. Again, we need a drop down option. So here we need to link up to the themes list of groups. And to do that, I got a formula. And this formula will list all the available groups in Microsoft Teams. I'm going to paste the formula here. So what we have done here is like we have created two drop down, one for SharePoint, linking to the SharePoint fruit stall list. And this is to the field name called title. Next, we have a drop down that will list out all the Microsoft Teams group. And we have used a formula for that. This is the formula. And if you'd like to know more about the formula, you can go to my blog and there'll be more information on how to use them. I'm going to give some useful name to these two drop down so that we can link them up later. So instead of calling it drop down to, I'm going to call this one as group themes. And this one as fruit list. Okay, so next I need a button. To create a new channel. And this button will have a formula, the formula that will use the title from here and create a channel under this group that we have selected. Again, we got a formula for that. Let's click here. So I'm going to explain the formula a little. So what we do here is like, this is a standard command for any Microsoft team, channel response. It is saying that go to the particular group, select the group ID, and then once the group ID has been selected, go and create a channel with the name selected from the fruit list title. Okay, title value. Okay, so we're gonna save this app. Go back to Power App, refresh on screen. And so we have the Power App created. I'm going to click on it. So I'm going to choose a fruit. I'm going to choose orange. I'm going to create this under the fruit stall group. And I say create new channel. Okay, so this name exists. Let's try something else. Guava. And there you go. We have a new channel created under a group called SharePoint Power. And we have one called Guava. Not sure why it didn't allow me to write under fruit stall. But I think you get the gist of it, and that's how you do it. If you have any question, please go to my blog and write your comments, and I'll get back to you. Thank you.